My neighbor here is prepping up his wooden boat.
Dat is wat je hebt met een houten boot, hè?
Ja, dat is het wel.
Today we're gonna fix up the bilge. First I wanted to tackle the holes made for the motor mounts into the beam of the bilge. They looked worn out and it seems to me they needed inspection. After drilling them out way bigger, they had very fast, still very newish wood in them. So now filling up the holes with polyester to drill them back out to the correct size for the motor mount bolts and screws. Yesterday, I don't know if I filmed that, I undid all the crap that was in here, which was overheating. I think what happened was that the polyester, it's now like 25 degrees outside, and probably here inside it's a little bit warmer even. And this big amount of polyester, it's not epoxy, it's polyester, heated up so hard that it actually burned itself. Then I tried to do a little bit less. I filled it half of what it is now. I cooled it down with a blower. It's just blowing cold air. Then I laid in a little bit more, and then I let it rest overnight, and now it's nice rock and solid. Rock and solid. Solid rock. What? No, okay. Time out. Okay, I made some polyester and I thickened it a little bit. I still have holes here from my speedometer, so I'm gonna have some duct tape. I'm gonna stick it to the bottom of it. This is all at least 1.5 meters apart. And the fridge, of course.
And I should come back to your place. All I know is